Is it the right time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we'll delve deep into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, January 22, 2024. Today, we'll provide you with a more detailed analysis to help you make informed decisions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed is essential to stay ahead in the investment game. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Unlock the potential of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 8, 2024, our system has identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.60. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 10.55% since we first listed Taiwan Semiconductor as a buy candidate 10 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.06% since it was identified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is in the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $114.49, it may indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 18.24% change expected over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging between 6.94% and 19.76%. On the 12-month trend, there is a projected 8.06% change over the next year. The potential return in this case ranges between -16.81% and 9.21%. This suggests a price range of $94.03 to $123.44 after a year. Our latest update on Taiwan Semiconductor brings a weaker technical forecast as the stock is downgraded to a buy candidate. On Monday, the 22nd of January 2024, the Taiwan Semiconductor stock price dropped by 1.02%, declining from $114.20 to $113.03. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $112.52 and a high of $115.10, showing a 2.29% variation. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances and has increased by 13.47% over the last 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume fell alongside the stock, which is actually a positive sign as volume usually follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 20 million shares on the last day, with a total of 16 million shares bought and sold, valued at approximately $1.83 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $115.15, while the lowest price was $81.21. Currently, the price is 1.84% or $2.12 below the 52-week high. It is also 22.05% or $31.97 below the all-time high on January 13, 2022, when the price reached $145. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for TSM. On Friday, January 19, 2024, the reputable firm Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Another noteworthy rating came from UBS on Thursday, November 16, 2023. They also rated TSM as a buy with a hold action. Now, turning our attention to Thursday, July 20, 2023, we see that Wedbush gave TSM an outperform grade with a hold action. Needham made another positive rating for TSM on the same day, July 20, 2023, giving it a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, June 1, 2023, Needham once again expressed their confidence in TSM by assigning it a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts strongly recommend buying Taiwan Semiconductor stock. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as excellent buying opportunities. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral stance. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Taiwan Semiconductor stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate buy signals for Taiwan Semiconductor, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any corrections downwards, there is support expected from the price levels of $106.76 and $102.31. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Another buy signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals as well, which might influence the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, January 19, 2024, resulting in a 1.02% decline so far. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume also decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow the price movements. Here are some other signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, it is currently indicating a buy signal. Pivots, it gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, it generated a buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, it provided a buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, it showed a buy signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 53 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, it indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 40 days ago. For more signals, visit our website at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. First, let's discuss the downside. The stock has a support level just below today's price at $102.95 and $102.54. When a stock is testing a support level, there is always a risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next level. In this case, Taiwan Semiconductor finds support just below today's price at $102.95. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $102.54 and $97.44. It's important to note that this stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $2.58 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.29% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.01%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First and foremost, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key indicator that compares a company's current share price with its per-share earnings. Taiwan Semiconductor's P/E ratio falls within the range of what is considered normal. This is often observed in businesses with a long history and stable revenue patterns. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. If the stock follows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $114.20. If you're not already holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you're already invested in Taiwan Semiconductor, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if the stock experiences a downturn, it will encounter its first support level at $102.95. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock's price. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $108.50, which represents a decrease of 4.01%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found 1 day ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe Taiwan Semiconductor stock presents a buying opportunity in the short term. Although there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, the overall trend and several short-term signals are positive. Furthermore, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 23, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open up with a gain of $0.520, starting the day's trading at $113.55. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise speaking with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Get ready for successful trading and have a fantastic day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.